Alright, so in this video we're going to talk about how to make the arms. So, I had already started to do this in the previous attempt, but the light shut off, so I'm redoing this. So, basically, I'm going to be folding along each of these lines. So the way I did that was I kind of flipped it over like this. And what I did was I went to the very last one. I went on the line and I applied firm pressure along this crease to make a fold. Then I'm going to fold it over again like this, and one more time like this. Now what's going to happen quite a bit is that the glue gets brittle when it gets dry, and if it's like brittle, it like snaps real easy. So just be aware that you might need to go and redo some glue. Like for example, this here, I'm going to have to re-glue that at some point. All right. So the next thing I'm going to do is fold this over and crease it. Then this tab. Now I've got to do these other ones on the other side. All right, so I got to do that. I got to do this one. Okay. Now I have to come over here and do these. Fold that up, make a crease like that. Fold this one up, make a crease. Fold this one up and make a crease. Okay, so now, oh, and there's one more right there. You go in here and do this. Okay, so now I'm ready to fold my arm. So the first thing I'm likely to do is I'm going to get that right there. Oh, another thing I want to do real quick before I get too far into this is right here, right there. I need to fold. Okay, there we go. Okay, so now I need some glue. Bring this around and join it right here. Now again, to make this glue set, you've got to press. You got to try to do whatever you can to get some pressure onto that glue. One thing you might try is leaning the paper up like this and then kind of reaching in there and pressing on it to really seat that glue. Okay. Now, the next thing we're going to need to do is we're going to need to do this. So one thing I might try is just smearing some glue. Just fold these out of the way. All over this part right here. Alright, smearing glue all over here. Then I bend these back and I kind of roll this up and press down on it. Reach down in there and push. Try to get that glue to seat in there. Okay. The one thing I see going on here is that this is kind of separating. So take some glue. Okay. Now I'm going to apply some glue to these tabs. Now I'm going to fold this down in there like that and try to put that together. Okay. So now we're going to go over here to the other side. All right. Whoops. This comes apart. Try to press on that. Okay. Now everything I did on this arm, I'm going to repeat that over here on this one. Okay? So if you run any concerns at any point, please let me know. Otherwise, good luck with doing the other arm.